Jeffy's not a good boy.
Jeffy's a bad boy.
Your helmet misses you. Jeffy's second day of school. Jeffy, what's that?
I got in trouble again, Daddy.
What, you got in trouble again?
Yep.
What'd you do?
She wrote a note.
Jeffy was really bad today. He shot spitballs at me, threw an apple, and threw a globe at me.
Yep.
He's very disruptive. Please speak with him, Mrs. Nutkiss.
What? That's it, Jeffy. You don't get marshmallows with your pancakes anymore.
That's so fair, Daddy. I love marshmallows on my pancakes.
I know, and you don't get them anymore because you're a bad... Marshmallows with your pancakes.
Great.
You liked them the other day.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You ate the whole entire...
Jeffy's being a bad boy.
Yes, Jeffy's being a really bad boy. He's not...
Jeffy's a good boy.
You're a good boy.
Oh, dang, I thought it was a fart and it slipped out and there was a poop.
What, you...
Dang, am I a bad boy?
Come on, Jeffy, we're potty training you.
No.
Jeffy, give it... Yeah, because you're being a...
Jeffy's a bad boy.
Okay, look,
Oh, string?
Yeah, play with the ball of string. Don't do that.
You said Jeffy's a bad boy?
Well, why do you have a helmet on? I guess that's why you... Jeffy! Do not put that in your
Why
nose.
you take my crown?
Because you put it in your nose and you said you wouldn't, but you're a bad...
I'm a bad boy.
Bad boy.
I'm a good boy right here.
Yes, you are very...
Watch what happens when you say bad Jeffy.
Jeffy?
Yeah, see, like bad...
Why would you even tell him?
Well,
One present, Daddy?
yeah, you only got one. I don't know, that's all Santa brought.
What better be... Ella? I wanted this last year!
That's an elephant poop. That's coal. And you got coal because you're a...
You said Jeffy's a bad boy?
Yeah, Jeffy, you were a bad boy all year long, so...
Take that, Santa Claus! You did a Christmas tree, Jeffy! Yeah, because Santa Claus gave me elephant poop!
Jeffy, you didn't get toys because you were bad, and bad kids don't get toys for Christmas, Jeffy!